What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Yesterday, we said what? We said as long as the 200-day moving average holds, right? As long as this holds, we will see, right? We will see. So we had Friday's low here. You can't see it because of this candle. I'll just go ahead and remove this for now. But you see Friday's previous week low right here. As long as that holds and we accept the 50-day moving average, we will more than likely attempt this 400. And where do we actually go up to? We went up to this huge supply level that was left over, right, from late last week. Okay. So for right now, that supply level is still supply. Okay. We had some pre-market demand left over from the Friday close yesterday. But I'm looking to see, look, can we possibly get another test of the weekly low here? I would not be surprised if we do. Okay, likely that'll be a long the first time we go down there. Okay, anytime after that, I'm a little more hesitant, maybe for a slight peak below, fake breakdown, and then head higher, possibly. Or I would take puts on a clean break, okay, a clean break and hold for 5 to 15 minutes. If it just wicks down and comes up, that's going to be a fake breakdown. More than likely, what would happen? Okay, so right now you just have to think what is the market doing? The market trends and the market consolidates, right? So we had some nice trend down and now we're consolidating, right? Now we're consolidating. So what's the plan for tomorrow? Well, I could tell you this. We held this huge 50-day moving average today, which is something noteworthy. That's a win for the bulls, I think, in my opinion. Now, I think if we don't immediately gap down, we'll likely go test this supply again, which is going to be still right around. Let me get rid of this. So it's just from earlier, right around, right, this 401.02 area. Okay, that happens to be where the 8 EMA, and it's also crossed the 21 EMA. That's the yellow and the red, 8 being the yellow, 21 being the red. So for tomorrow, I would think if we go back into this range, you're going to want to look to take the reject. Okay, if we come down and test the long down here, 393, you're going to want to take the long. But at some point this week, right, this range we're in, this range, more so this range, will get broken at some point. Right now, it's a range. Okay, so you play the trend of the range. Okay, so right now it's reject that 401, 402, and you want to long the 393. We have shown that there is some demand left over, right, from Friday. We could see it right here. Okay. Okay, we could see it right here. Well, I need to go out further. Sorry. We had it left over right here. I kind of already had it drawn, right? You guys could see in the pre-market, hit down, went down and kissed it. So there's demand there. So that 396 is kind of the pivot. Underneath there, it's likely we come down and test this demand area / the 200 moving day moving average and the previous week low at 393, where I'd look to take a bounce long. Okay, I look to take a bounce long. And then we'll likely try that 400 area where we could see we went up and basically rejected here and then make our way up to 401, 402, which is likely a reject. Okay, so until one of those breaks and holds, whether we break 402 to the upside, we break 393 to the downside, you're going to want to play the range. Okay, so the market could just be digesting right now. It could be balancing itself out before the next move, more than likely. So let's look really quick. What do we have for economic data coming out? Okay, for tomorrow, okay, we have trade balance, retail inventory, wholesale inventories. Then we have the Case-Shiller price home index. Okay, the business barometer. I also think consumer confidence is an interesting one as well. And then we have one of the Fed presidents speaking. Okay, so I think possibly, as long as 396 holds overnight and within the first 15 to 30 minutes of the day tomorrow at the cash open, we'll likely come and test the 400 to 402 area. Okay, where you'll want to see if we can have a reject of any supply left over up there and a reject of the range. Okay, until we break and hold above 402, really, I'm not in love with taking longs at that level above. But if we do get above and hold, definitely. Then I think you're going to target that 404, which is previous week high, and then up to the gap fill at 407 to 408. Okay, I would definitely like to take a long off of 393. If we do break underneath 396, so definitely look to fill this gap down from Friday first off, which is about 396.50 area. Okay, and then take it down to 393 if we break. Okay, so really, guys, this has been a tough market, not gonna lie, right? It's been tough. It's been whipsawy, it's been slow melty, it has long, wicks down, long wicks up. It's trying to get you caught off sides. Guys, when the market gets choppy, trading gets sloppy. So don't be sloppy. Just wait for your levels and then strike. Okay, just wait for your levels and then strike. And of course, wake up early, get your levels right, and don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.